Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome to Dee's Yard. Today I want to share with you this awesome new plant from the Southern Living plant collection called Skyscraper Senecio. This is a succulent that is similar to blue chalk sticks except gets much taller. Blue chalk sticks gets about 1 foot tall, where Skyscraper Senecio gets 3 to 4 feet high and 1.5 foot wide and can reach up to 2 to 3 feet in height in just one growing season. This strong upright grower makes a perfect structural component for containers or succulent and rock gardens. Skyscraper is hardy in zones 10A to 11B and can take full sun to part shade conditions. When I first saw this plant, the first place I thought to plant it was in the ground near my koi pond to be surrounded by rocks. But being located in zone 7A, I decided to plant in a container instead. This will make it easier to bring Skyscraper indoors over the winter to treat as a house plant. And just like other succulents, this makes a great indoor plant. Personally, I think Skyscraper Senecio makes a perfect container planted alone and really doesn't require any additional plants. If you wanted to add any other plants, some water-wise companions that I think will pair beautifully with Skyscraper are Strawflower Flambe Yellow, Biden's Goldilocks Rocks, Mecardonia Gold Dust, Lemon Coral Sedum, Euphorbia, and of course, any arrangement of succulents. I decided I wanted to really complement the silver blue of this plant, so I opted to use Evolvulus, or Dwarf Morning Glory, that has a slight fuzzy silvery green foliage and true blue flowers. And of course, I'm filming this during the evening, so the blooms are currently closed, but I'll make sure to throw up a picture to show you what the blooms look like when they're open. The Dwarf Morning Glory will only get about 8 inches in height, which is perfect because I want the Skyscraper Senecio to be the main focal point of this container. But it will fill in all the empty spaces and trail down the side of the container about 12 inches. I think this container is simple yet gorgeous and I love it. I am very excited to watch it fill in over the next few weeks. But thank you guys so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.